Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to simply turn off apps notification on Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are foreign into this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to simply head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to click on my phone settings right here. Then have it open up your phone settings. For easy access to all apps notification on your phone, what you need to do is to make use of search app right here. Click on search right here. And what you need to do is to simply type in do not disturb. Okay. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on do not disturb. That's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to click on do not disturb. That's going to take you right here. The next thing you need to do is to click on apps notification. Then all your apps that you are being allowed to be notify you each time there is any update or any chat or what have you on your phone is going to be found right here. So you can scroll down, and the more you scroll down, the more you see everything. This is depends on the number of apps that you grant their notification to be pop up on your phone every time there is a message or an update on the app. So for you to turn them off, it is very simple. What you need to do is to simply turn off this toggle right here. So like Alibaba.com, I turn off the notification from them. Then Alipay, I turn off the annoying notification. You can scroll down and check on more and more. I turn off notification for this app also. So you can scroll down. You can turn off as many as possible apps. This allows you to maintain concentration on your phone and improve the lifespan of your phone battery. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply turn off notification of apps on your Android phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.